The last paragraph of the second part of our course is called Time-Dependent Method for Steady-State Problems. To calculate the solutions of many of the stationary problems of mathematical physics, describing various equilibrium states, one considers these equilibria as the results of the approach to steady state of processes developing in time, whose computational treatment is simpler than direct calculation of the equilibrium state itself. We illustrate the use of the method of time-dependent via the example of an algorithm for the computational solution of Dirichlet problem for heat transfer equation, which has the following form: d by x of gamma d phi by dx plus d by dy gamma d phi by dy plus s is equal to 0. This equation is elliptic. The Dirichlet boundary conditions are given by the following: phi sub w is equal to psi of x, y. Consider the auxiliary non-stationary heat flow problem. Rho d phi by dt is equals the following expression: d by dx gamma d phi by dx plus d by dy gamma d phi by dy plus s. With initial conditions phi 0 of 0, x, y is equal to phi 0 of x, y, and the boundary condition phi sub w is equal to psi x, y, where s and psi of x, y are the same as in problem 2.82, and phi sub 0 of x, y is arbitrary. Since the distribution of heat sources S of x, y and the boundary temperature phi sub w are time independent, it is natural to expect that solution phi of t, x, y will change more and more slowly with time, and that the temperature distribution phi of t, x, y in the limit as t approaches infinity, will evolve into the equilibrium temperature distribution phi of x, y, characterized by problem 2.82. Therefore, instead of stationary problem 2.82, one can solve non-stationary problem 2.83 out to the time t when the solution stops changing within the accuracy we require. This is the idea behind the solution of stationary problems by the time development method.